What is up? It's Genetix. And we have another incubator bundle in the shop. It's an epic incubator. And this time we are looking for Kentrosaurus and Tyrannosaurus Rex. You probably won't get it, but you know. Why not have hopes and dreams and have them crush? Oh wow. Yeah, my dreams are getting crushed. I mean, I'll take Gypaetus. Ankylosaurus, I'll take it. I mean, it's available in my area. Okay guys, well, that is what's up inside the epic bundle. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm giving away a $10 gift card to a subscriber that leaves a like and a comment on the first video that gets 10 likes. I'm looking to get 20 subscribers, guys. Please help me out, and I will help you out. You do you, I'll do me. Later.